Genesis Health nurses and doctors are declaring 2022 the year of healing.
Yeah, coming off of the 2 years of pandemic lows, staff celebrated today with what's been named the Healing Wall. News 8's Maggie Wedlake reports on what this means for patients and staff and their hope for the future. New tonight at 5.
Just through these doors to the Genesis ICU,
And I'm living proof that miracles do happen.
Jeff Gale spent over 3 months fighting COVID-19.
They didn't know anything, if I'd even live.
Through an airlift to Genesis from Geneseo.
And I laid my head on the pillow in that emergency room, and from that time on, I don't remember much, if anything, for the next 6 weeks.
A period of cardiac arrest.
They did compressions on me before they could shock me.
And 31 days on a ventilator. He's come out the other side with a message of hope.
I came home on Friday after Thanksgiving, the Tuesday after I met my primary physician. And I walked in the door and sat down, and he came in and he said, "Jeff, to be real honest, I didn't expect we'd ever have this conversation." I said, "I'm here, I'm alive, and we're going forward."
It's why he was one of the first to stick one of these feathers up on the Genesis Healing Wall. One of Jeff's nurses, Stacy Willie, finding her hope through patients like him.
But what really helps me to focus on the many blessings and chances to heal forward is the patients we saw go home to their families and loved ones. The feeling of seeing someone come in on the worst day of their lives and leave in the best.
It's what this new wall will now represent at Genesis.
COVID-19, although still with us, is shifting away from a pandemic to a more manageable disease. We hope it continues that way. For now, we can take a collective breath, pause to remember what we've lost, and also find healing and rejuvenation in what we've gained.
Together, moving forward and healing. In Davenport, Maggie Wedlake, WQAD, News 8.
Those healing walls will also be set up at the Genesis West campus, as well as campuses in Silvis, DeWitt, and Aledo. All are welcome to come place a feather with that healing message on it.